Sam here with 4G. Today we're going to talk about a more specific question because we do get specific questions and they're very important. One question we get from clients a lot is, what kind of water heater should I buy? Well, there's basically two kinds. There's the conventional tank water heater that you probably have in your garage or attic. They're about 6 feet tall and they usually hold about 50 to 80 gallons of water. So that's one type. The other type that we're starting to use more and more is called an on-demand water heater. And this water heater, as it states, heats water on demand. So when you need it, it heats it, which means you never run out. But it also means you're not paying an energy bill when you don't need hot water. So the water is only heated as you need it. Now a conventional water heater, a tank water heater, is great as well. They do good. Lots of people have them. But a couple things to know about them. You can run out of hot water, like most of you guys know. A couple people take a shower and you can run out. The other thing is you're paying to heat that water, whether you're using it or not. If you're on vacation, you're heating the water. If you're at home, you're heating the water. So we'd like to tell people, you might want to think about on-demand water heaters because in our opinion, they are a better water heater. Now they do cost a little bit more, probably about $1,500 with install and everything, but I think it's well worth it, not only for your pocketbook when you're paying for your utilities, but also for the environment. So that's something for you to consider on your next custom home.